don't know that I'll still be there, but I probably will be. I'm just worried they're all
Floor.
You have a good one.
You too.
Going up.
These are the elevators at the brand new Helios Grand Hotel at Universal Orlando.
Going down.
And we got some Otis Gen 3s with innovation fixtures. One. Okay. Look at this. So yeah, Gen 3 with innovation. I can't say I've ever seen that before.
Third floor.
Hey, going down?
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. There we go, guys. Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good
How are
morning.
you?
Good morning.
There you go, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome.
All right.
Second floor. Going down.
There you go.
Let's all snuggle.
She did say you can go in her queue and not ride. What? She said you can go in her queue without riding.
First floor.
I hold
You're good. I'm just fascinated by the elevators
Yeah,
and just
it is
checking the
awesome.
place out,
it.
so
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
for your patience.
you have a good one. The lady who got on accidentally bumped into the 4 button, but that's fine.
Fourth floor. Going up.
I thought these were going to be Kone, but turns out they're Otis. And very nice ones at that.
10th floor. Going down.
I think I'm going to get a different one from up here. Huh, no lanterns up here. Interesting. Oh, and there's also this call station here for this one. I'm guessing they sometimes use it as an additional service elevator. There's a view out of the lake. There's a parking deck over there. You can see the Orlando Eye in the distance. Again, really beautiful hotel and beautiful new elevator system. And which one did we get? We got this one. All right. Shaft lights are on too. And you can kind of see the Gen 2 machines if you look in there. We'll get a cab view now since I got it to myself. All right, to the lobby. Okay, now for a non-stop flight up, hopefully. This one doesn't talk. And I'm gonna stop on 9 because I want to see what one of the guest floors here looks like. Innovation prestige fixtures. Huh, and it just sunk a bit before starting. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So this is one of the hotel hallways. Supposedly this is supposed to be like the most luxurious hotel on Universal property. There's a couple of the rooms. It smells really good in here too. Again, absolutely beautiful. I gotta get a picture of that back here. Really nice. And down the hallway there is a club lounge there, but I'm not gonna snoop around too much. Because I only got so much time till I gotta be out of here. There's another view out. You can see the main Universal campus in the distance if you look there. Anyway, let's head back down. So we got the regular Otis chime on the outside, and then we got the Gen 3 one on the inside. Really interesting. And you can kind of see the motor a little bit up there. And we're gonna get off on 1.
Sixth floor. Going down.
1.
First floor.
And here we are. All right, you have a good one. And there it goes. And if you look over here, you can see they got a little film. I don't know if I'd say film, but this is obviously playing in the background by the elevator lobby. Again, you got that one with its own call button. Absolutely beautiful new hotel and new elevators. There's the main call button. And that's the park entrance for guests of the hotel. And over here is the beautiful new lobby. Wow. You can see all the front desks here. There's some on each side. The lighting looks really pretty. Nice chandelier up there. And you can see into the park itself there. I was there yesterday. It was absolutely amazing.
I need to figure this out.
And out here is the sign for the hotel. Really, really cool and absolutely beautiful. Well, with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.